warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Catur Wulandari. I am 21 years old. I am Indonesian. And I am studying in 11 Maret University in Public Administration major. I am active, organized, and simple person, and I am joined in many organizations in campus. In this program, I want to improve my personal capability. I want to improve my potency because I know that youth is agent of change. We have task and duty to make a change in our personal life, in our communities, and our country. The primary problem faced youth is for morality degradation. It causes corrupt increasing in my country. So, in this time, I want to ask with you, Amitabh Bachchan, I want to know how to grow spirit to fight corruption. Maybe just it can I say. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.